Hi, this is Mike with WeDoForms.net, and today I want to give you an overview of our closing disclosure. This is the 2-page for the seller only. It's a 2-page form. Just handed out to the seller. It's an Excel file, and you can type and edit anything that you want. You can come over here, date issued, enter in your dates, settlement agent. You just put your title company in there. Whatever you want to type in there, anything that you want, you can type in any of these lines. Sale price goes down here. And it has auto calculation formulas, so you see when you put the price in there, it automatically comes down to here. Have the yellow right here indicating that there's a formula inside that box is pulling the information from somewhere. When you print this in black and white, this yellow does not show. It'll show as a white background. So all these yellows will be white when you print it. Down here we have some tax proration stuff. You enter in your date, your dates. Here's some sample data for your tax prorations. And so all you have to do is go up here to this line right here, and enter in your date span. So if you want to change the date span, you can just change it to whatever date you need, and you'll notice when I hit enter that these automatically calculate the new totals for the new date span. And also when you type in these two white cells, these cells autofill down below for the same date. So all your calculations will be done just by completing these two lines for the date, and then you'll have to enter in your individual daily rates for the other dues and taxes. Then down here gives you more totals, totals everything on the page, and obviously all this information here speaks for itself. You just come over here and you can type whatever you want in these lines, and you can edit it easily. Let's go on to page 2. Alright, just more lines here. You can type in anything you want in these lines, and down here it'll do the totals for those sections. Right here it has it'll figure out your real estate commissions, and I'll do the math here based off the number that you entered on the first page. If you need to add any additional prices or anything right here, deductions or prices, you can use this column right here to do so. And it calculates the total, and at the bottom here you've got your signature lines. It's very easy to make last minute changes. If you need to change anything, you just come in here and change a number, and it's changed, updated. You can save your copy, save it to a PDF, and mail it out to your clients. You can get a copy of this 2-page seller-only disclosure at our website. You can also see other forms that we have at our website too. Thank you.